Here's how you can create that Netflix style split screen effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. First, create a new sequence. To create a new sequence, just click on this little icon and click on this sequence. Now you can choose any preset you like. Let's go for HD 1080p 25 frame per second. Let's quickly rename this to split screen. Now under the settings tab, just make sure to change the vertical aspect to 803. So all our frame size will be 1920 by 803. And when you are done with this, hit OK. Now you have created the new sequence. Let's drag and drop our clips. Let's drag the first clip over here on the timeline. And when you will get this pop-up, just make sure to click on this keep existing settings. Now let's quickly zoom in to our timeline first. Let's drag our second clip just above the first clip on the video second track, and let's crop this first clip just to match the exact duration of the second clip. Now let's quickly adjust the scale and position of both the clips. First, select second clip, just go to effect controls and decrease the scale to something around 70. Let's go for 75. Just drag the position to left, something like this. Let's go for 340. Let's click on this clip 1 and just drag this scale to 75 and drag the position to right side, something like this. Now select the second clip and go to effects and presets and search for the crop effect and drag and drop the crop effect on the second clip first, and in the effect controls just set the right crop value to something around 10. You can adjust according to your clip. Let's go for 10. Now just copy this effect, select the first clip and hit Ctrl V to paste that effect. Now set the right crop value to 0% and set the left value to something to match the exact point. I think let's go for 26. If you want to change anything, just select the second clip, drag it to the right side, something like this. Let's go for 400. And again, in the effect controls, just set the right value to something around 15. And now you have got this effect. Select the first clip, just drag it to something like this. Let's go for 1315 and let's set the position to 400. And now you have got this little split frame in the center. That's you have to achieve by adjusting the scale and position of both the clips. If you want to adjust more, you can adjust according to your like and preferences. Let's move further. Now what you have to do is just apply some grading to make them look different. So select the first clip and go to geometry color and just in the colors wheel just set the one clip to warmer and set the other clip to something around cool to make the environment different from each other. Let's make it warmer. Let's see the before and after. I think it's looking good. Now in the basing corrections tab, just set the saturation a little bit, something around 93, and set the contrast. Let's increase some contrast to 5. And yeah, like this. Let's see the before and after. You've got this warm look on this clip. Let's select the second clip, go to elementary color panel and just adjust some saturation. Now in the colors wheel section, just set it to cooler then to make it look cool. Yeah, let's see the before and after. Yeah, that's how we make the both clips different from each other to exactly make the perfect vibe for Netflix style split screen. Now you can add different lower thirds in your timeline to make it more look dynamic. You've got the perfect split screen effect like Netflix show. If you found this video useful, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe the channel. And till then, I will see you in the next one.